Hi, I'm Mrs. Kareem, Montessori Directors AMI. Today, I would like to give you the presentation of Pink Tower, which is a very interesting exercise, and I have observed that in the Montessori environment, children love to do this exercise so much. So, let them observe it, explore it, and experience it, right? Here I have written the name of the exercise and material, right? Visual sense, discrimination of dimensions, pink tower, material 10 cubes, pink in color, made of light wood differing in length and breadth and height. The sizes increase progressively starting from smallest, which in size is 1 cubic centimeter, going on to the largest, which is 10 cubic centimeters, right? And a floor mat. Okay. Now I am going to write the direct aim and indirect aim of this exercise, right? Direct aim is visual discrimination of dimensions. Visual discrimination. Visual discrimination of differences in dimensions. Right? Cut. Cut. Indirect aim is judgment, preparation of a mathematical mind, muscular education of the grapes. Right? Indirect aim is judgment, preparation of a mathematical mind. Muscular education of grape. Muscular of the grapes. Right? Before starting this activity, I would like to explain you how to present the pink tower to the child. First of all, ask the child to lay out the mat, as this exercise is always done on the floor. Right? Show the child that each cube is held from the top with your right hand's fingers, with the help of your right hand fingers and thumb. Hold the cube in such a way that your fingers should be on the opposite side and thumb should be facing you, right? Now extend your right hand towards the topmost cube. Pick it up with the help of your index finger and thumb from the top and bring it to the mat. Place it gently on it. Then ask the child to bring the other cubes along with you, right? For bigger cubes, hold the bigger ones in the right hand with the help of your four fingers and thumb. At the same time, bring your left hand under the cube for supporting it. But keep the hand at a little distance. I mean that your hand should be kept at a little distance like this, in this manner, right? Continue doing till all the cubes are brought on the mat. Now ask the child to sit down. Make the child to sit beside you. Among all the cubes, choose the biggest cube by comparing with the remaining ones. Isolate it at a convenient place, that is in front of you. Okay. Then select the next cube, which is just smaller than the first cube, and place it on the top of the largest cube, exactly in the center. Be very careful while placing the second and the next cubes. Each succeeding cube should be placed exactly in the center of the preceding cube, right? Repeat the same procedure till the 3 cubes are placed. Now fill the tower from bottom to top with both hands. That is, your right hand should be on the right side and your left hand should be on the left side, like this. Then, after placing 3 more cubes, fill the tower from bottom to top in the from either sides in the same manner as you have done previously, right? Repeat the same procedure till the smallest cube is placed. When the tower is built, ask the child to stand up and let him observe it from the top and go around it and look at it from all sides and corners. Okay. Then bend down and observe the tower from bottom to top and repeat this from all corners, right? Then dismantle the tower and ask the child to build it again if he wants to. If he doesn't want to, then put the material back in its place. Right? Today I am going to present to you the pink tower, which is a very interesting exercise. Would you like to come with me?
Yes.
Let's get started. Okay?
Yes.
Would you like to pick it up and
Yes.
put it on the mat? Cut. Now I am going to make the tower from these cubes, right?
Right.
Watch me carefully.
Okay.
we have built the pink tower. Okay, sit down. Now I am going to dismantle this tower. Okay. Would you like to repeat this exercise?
No.
Age 3 years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Okay, bye bye.